Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to set pricing on Fiverr. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Fiverr website right here, fiverr.com if you haven't already, and after doing so you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can go ahead and log into your account. So what you want to do is go ahead and log into the account that you want to set your pricing for your gigs for. So in the upper right corner, go ahead and sign in. If you do not already have an account, you can just go ahead and create a new one, and after logging in you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page of Fiverr, where you can see all the sections you can access, you can see other people's gigs and so on. So let's go ahead and see how to set our pricing on our gig. Basically what you want to do first is go ahead and switch to seller mode. So go ahead and click on become a seller if you haven't already. Switch to seller mode, and now we can go ahead and open up all of our gigs that we have posted. And guys, as you can see at the official help website of Fiverr, this is how to go ahead and set our pricing. So basically what we want to do is just go to navigate to the manage gigs page. In the manage gigs page guys, it's going to enable you to go ahead and get started managing your gigs. You'll be able to find the manage your gigs right here in the options. If you're a seller, you can go ahead and find your gigs and then open up manage gigs. There you want to click on edit and click on the pricing tab. When in the pricing tab, now you can go ahead and make your preferred pricing changes, enter in the prices you want to use for your gigs and save it, and now people will be able to see the new price. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.